Okay, hello traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Brilliant Trading Tips and also Forex Emergency Help. Today I want to show you a smart money concept. This is what they call the SMC. In the previous video, I was showing you a change of character strategy. A change of character is a reversal strategy where you trade at the supply or a bearish order block. But today with this GBP USD, I am showing you a BOS strategy, and that is a continuation strategy where you trade at a demand instead of a supply, and you are going to look for bullish order blocks. I'm going to make another video and teach you what an order block is if you don't know, or what a supply or demand is if you don't know. And also in this video I will be showing you the same analysis with my system, which is the fair zone to zone system. The fair zone to zone system will do for you the work that you would do manually if you don't have the system. Now, as I said, if you are looking at the charts here, you are looking at an uptrend. This is a bullish market. Why are you saying it's a bullish market? Let us focus on the market structure. First, the market structure. As you can see, the market went up here and then it came down. That is the first low, and it went up, breaking the structure which we call BOS, and then it retraced and came down. And from here it went up, breaking the structure and came down. Every time the market breaks the structure to the upwards, you know that the market is in an uptrend until the uptrend is violated. The uptrend will be violated when the previous higher low is broken. Then that is when we get what we call the change of character. Then we are looking for a downtrend. Now we are looking for a down market. But as long as we are seeing the constant break of structure, we are looking for a buy market. We are looking for a buy market, or we are looking at a bullish market. So this is it, guys. This being our higher high, let us mark it. I'm analyzing with you guys. We are going to say this is our high because there is no higher high for now. And then we are going to say this is a low. We are going to say this is a low, as you can see. And then we are going to say this right here is our higher high because it broke the previous high. That is why it is called a higher high. It broke this previous high. Let us take a line and put it here. This is where the high is broken, and we call this one the break of structure. You'll make it horizontal. Mine is a little bit skew. This is a BOS, the break of structure. It signals that we are in an uptrend. It signals that we are in an uptrend when the break of structure is to the upwards. When the break of structure is to the downwards, it signals that we are in a downtrend. And then let us get, this is now a higher low instead of just a low. It is a higher low. Reason why we are saying it's a higher low, because this low is higher than this low here, is higher than this low even here. This one is a higher low. I forgot to identify this one. This is a higher low because that is where we get the swing highs and the swing lows. This is a higher low again. And then what do we have? We have another higher high up here. We have another higher high up here. We have another higher high up here. This is 4 hour, guys. If you are looking in the small time frames, you were going to think the market was selling from here. You were going to think the market was in a downtrend. This is not a downtrend. This is just a retracement. This is just a retracement. The market is trying to pick up some orders so that it gets strength to move further up. So that it gets strength to move further up. So this is it. You have your low, you have your high, you have your higher low here because this low is higher than this one. You have your higher high because this high is higher than the previous one. You have your higher low because it is higher than the previous higher low. You have your higher high because it is higher than the previous higher high. So what you are going to do now, your break of structure, also you get the break of structure here. This is your high here, and then if you draw the horizontal line, that's where you get your POS, meaning the break of structure. This is where you get your POS, meaning your break of structure to the upwards again. Right there, it is giving you a confirmation that you should be looking for buys instead of looking for sales. Remember, this is a smart money concept. You are trading with the banks, you are trading with the smart money, you are trading with the big institution instead of trading with the retail traders who are small money, or rather who are dump money. That is what people say. So as you can see, guys, we have this higher high, higher low, higher high. This is our order flow. It goes like this, and then we create another high, and then we create a low, we create a high, we create a low. Now what is going to happen is we are looking for a high. We are looking for a high, and this is our break of structure here, and then this is our break of structure here, and then our break of structure will be here. If the market fails to break the structure, then we know the market is looking for a chance to go in the opposite direction, meaning to become a bearish market. But as long as it keeps on breaking the structure, we are still in a bullish market. So guys, let me now delete these lines so that you don't get confused. Let me delete. This is what we have now. This is what we have: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now we zoom out so that we see the clear picture of this market. From here, what do? We look for an order block, or we look for a demand. This is where we get our order block. This is where we get our order block, or this is where we get our demand. This is the demand here, and as you can see at that demand, the market already is reacting. The market is trying to reverse to the upwards because we have this demand. And if you go up there, you will understand that this was the supply. Okay, I took a wrong tool. This was a supply. Let me draw for you a supply. I don't have time because this video must be 10 minutes and not longer. This is the supply. This is where we are coming from. We are coming from a supply, and then we got to a demand. And now from a demand, where are we going? We are going to a supply zone again. We are going to a supply zone again. Can you see? This is it, guys. Now you can enter your trade here with my confluences. If you can see here, you have a divergence trading. The market is making the higher lows, and if you come to the system, to the indicator here, the market is making the higher highs. So you have your entry. Your entry, you are going to make sure that you are buying until you get to the next high. You are buying until you get to the next high. This is it, guys. And now this is your take profit is to the next high. Your take profit is to the next high. And bear in mind, this is 4 hour. This is 4 hour. So you are going to be making profit all the way. This is it, guys. Can you see? We are done, and we take a screenshot. And if you want to see the same setups here, you want to see it with the system, the fair zone to zone system, what we do is let us minimize here. This is the fair zone to zone system. Can you see the fair zone to zone system? If you look at 1 hour, already you have this signal here that is telling you to buy, meaning the market from here, it is going to go all the way up, and you don't have to draw the supply and the demand because they are already drawn for you. As you can see, this is a demand, and then this is the supply we had drawn. Can you see? It's already drawn for you. These are supplies, and this is demand here.